Hi students, Namaskaram. Now we are solving our fourth practical problem in the chapter Contract Costing or Contract Accounting. Mr. Bhagavandas undertook a contract for Rs 15 lakh. It is the contract price on an arrangement that 80% of the work done as certified by the architect of contractee should be paid immediately. Work certified in the 80% അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ കോൺട്രാക്ടർക്ക് പേയ്മെന്റ് കൊടുക്കുന്നു ആൻഡ് ദി റിമൈനിങ് 20% be retained until the contract was completed. It is the retention money. This is the normal procedure, and here in this problem it is clearly given. In this paragraph we have to note 2 points. First, contract price rupees 15 lakh, cash received being 80% of work certificate. These are 2 points to be noted from this paragraph. In 2017, the expenses were material, wages, carriages, cartage, and expenses. The work certificate for rupees 3,65,000 and 80% of this was paid as agreed. In 2018, the expenses were materials, wages, carriages, cartages, and expenses. 3/4 of the contract was certified as done by 31st December 2018 and 80% of this was received accordingly. The value of the work uncertified was ascertained at rupees 20,000. In 2019, the expenses were materials, wages, carriages, and expenses, and on 30th June, the whole of the contract work was completed. Prepare contract account and contract account. In this problem, we have to prepare contract account for 3 years, for 2017, for 2018, and for 2019. We have to prepare contract account for 3 years separately. Contract account for 2017, contract account for the year ending 31st December 2017. Materials rupees 1,80,000 to be debited. Labor 1,70,000 to be debited. Carriages rupees 6,000 to be debited. Cartage rupees 1,000 to be debited. Sundry expenses rupees 3,000 to be debited. Various expenses are debited to contract account for the year 2017, and we are given the work certified was rupees 3,65,000. It is to be credited as work in progress 3,65,000. Then here the contract price was rupees 15 lakh and 25% of contract price is equal to 3,75,000. The work in progress for the 2017 is less than 25% of the contract price. Contract price in 25% കുറവാണ് work in progress. So the balance of the contract account, if it is credit balance, transfer it to work in progress reserve. Here work in progress is less than 25% of contract price. Therefore, the balance of the account, the credit balance of the account, if any, is to be transferred to work in progress reserve account and not the notional profit. ഇവിടെ credit balance ആണ് 5,000 rupees. ഇത് notional profit ആയിട്ടല്ല എടുക്കേണ്ടത്, മറിച്ച് മുഴുവനായും work in progress റിസർവിലേക്ക് ട്രാൻസ്ഫർ ചെയ്യേണ്ടതാണ്. This is the contract account for the year 2017. It reveals work in progress reserve 5,000. It is the balance. Then prepare contract account for 2018. It begins with the closing balance of the account of 2017. In the contract account 2017, closing work in progress 3,65,000 and a closing work in progress reserve rupees 5,000. 2017 ക്ലോസിംഗ് ബാലൻസിലായ വർക്ക് ഇൻ പ്രോഗ്രസും വർക്ക് ഇൻ പ്രോഗ്രസ് റിസർവും ഈ രണ്ട് ഫിഗേഴ്സിൽ നിന്നാണ് 2018 അക്കൗണ്ടുകൾ ആരംഭിക്കുന്നത്. opening work in progress 3,65,000 less work in progress reserve rupees 5,000. ഡെബിറ്റില് വർക്ക് ഇൻ പ്രോഗ്രസ് റിസർവ് ഡിഡക്ട് ചെയ്തതിന് പകരം അത് ക്രെഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്താലും മതി. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ഡെബിറ്റ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നു വർക്ക് ഇൻ പ്രോഗ്രസ് റിസർവ് in bracket 5,000 because it is to be deducted. The contract account of 2018 is to be started with the closing balance of contract account of 2017. 2017 കോൺട്രാക്ട് അക്കൗണ്ടിന്റെ ക്ലോസിംഗ് ബാലൻസ് എന്നാണ് 2018 കോൺട്രാക്ട് അക്കൗണ്ട് ആരംഭിക്കേണ്ടത്. Then we have material, wages, carriages, cartages and sundry expenses. These expenses are to be debited in the contract account. We are given 3/4 of the contract was certified. Work certified being 3/4 of the contract price. We know contract price rupees 15 lakh. 3/4 of the 15 lakh is certified. That is 15 lakh into 3/4. 15 lakh contract price. 3/4 of the contract was certified. Therefore, 15 lakh into 3/4. 11,25,000 work certified. And it is given the value of work uncertified rupees 20,000. It is to be credited under work in progress. Work uncertified rupees 20,000. Here the work in progress is 11,25,000 plus 20,000. 11,45,000. And the contract price is 15 lakh. Work in progress is more than 50% of contract price. ഇവിടെ total work in progress 11,25,000 plus 20,000. 11,45,000 rupees ആണ്. Contract price 15 lakh rupees ആണ്. 15 lakhന്റെ പകുതിയേക്കാൾ കൂടുതൽ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നു. Therefore, balance figure, notional profit, it is uncompleted contract. The balance figure of the account 3,66,000 notional profit. Extend the account by notional profit 3,66,000 and a part of the notional profit is to be transferred to profitless account. Profitless account. That is notional profit 3,66,000 into 2/3 because work completed is more than 50% of contract price into 80% because cash received is 80%. 3,66,000 it is the notional profit into work 50% കൂടുതൽ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്തു into 2/3 into cash received 80%. Transfer to profitless account 1,95,200. Balance the account. The balance is going to work in progress reserve 1,70,800. It is the contract account for 2018. Then contract account for 2019. The contract was completed on 30th June 2019. Therefore, we prepare contract account on 30th June 2019. It also begins with the closing balance of the contract account 2018. Work in progress 11,45,000 and work in progress reserve 1,70,800. Here material, wages, carriages and sundry expenses. These are to be debited. It is given on 30th June the whole contract was completed. It is completed contract. Therefore, contract's account is to be credited with the full contract price 15 lakh. മുഴുവൻ കോൺട്രാക്ട് പ്രൈസും ക്രെഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നു because it is complete contract. Then balance the account, the balance being net profit 2,20,800. Then we are required to prepare contract's account. Contract's account is to be credited with the cash received. നമ്മളോട് കോൺട്രാക്ടീസ് അക്കൗണ്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നു. കോൺട്രാക്ട് അക്കൗണ്ട് ക്രെഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് ക്യാഷ് റിസീവ്ഡ് ആണ്. In 2017, 80% of the work certified was 3,65,000 into 80%. It was received as cash. Cash received 2,92,000. Then balance it 2,92,000. Balance carried on. Contract account വരയ്ക്കുമ്പോൾ ക്യാഷ് റിസീവ്ഡ് ക്രെഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, അക്കൗണ്ട് ബാലൻസ് ചെയ്യുക. 2018 balance brought down 2,92,000. Again credit the cash received. 11,25,000 was certified into 80%, 9 lakh. It is to be credited. Balance account, we get balance carried on 11,92,000. Then 2019 balance brought down 11,92,000. In this year, the contract was finished. Therefore, the contract account is to be debited with the full contract price. Contract account is to be debited with the full contract price. And the balance amount is received. Cash 3,08,000. This is the contract account. For preparing contract account, cash received is to be credited. And in the case of complete contract, contract account is to be debited with the contract price. Okay, so thank you.